Hey guys, Steve here. Today I want to get on and show you how you can turn a one-time $7 investment into multiple $6 commissions, right? And not only that, with this one $7 purchase, with this one, with the cost of a Happy Meal, with the cost of a couple gallons of gas, the cost of, you can't even buy a six-pack, it's $7. The point is, it's expendable money, right? People drop $6 all day until it comes to investing in yourself, until it comes to a way that you can flip the $7 and make additional money, right? Like I said, there's no monthly fee, so where's the fear? Don't be scared, right? It's only $7 one time. And actually, here's my challenge to you. You spend your $7, right? Spend your $7, get the opportunity, and I will help you get your money back. Make your money back. Why? Because all it takes is two sales, right? Two $6 sales, and you'll make $12 off of a $7 purchase. So you do that. That's my challenge to you. But anyway, let me get down off the soapbox, right? But what I want to do in this video is show you how you can make money online. How you can make money online with this one-time $7 purchase. Okay. And with this opportunity, this could be the beginning of your online journey. Why? Because you can take this one system that I'm going to show you and promote any affiliate product. And even if you wanted to, you could promote Amazon products with links, because everything is a link, right? And this one system will allow you to do what? Do the three primary things that all affiliate marketing business needs, right? You need a capture page to collect the leads. You need a way to email and follow up the leads. And of course, you need to offer, right? So with those three, and there's training inside too, I forgot. But with those three different things, you can start an online business. And with the tool that I'm going to show you, you can start it for $7. And at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can take that $7 purchase and then multiply it exponentially by plugging in a higher ticket offer. So, oh yeah, it can promote high ticket offers too. Not only that, let's just get there. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into it. So the product that I want to show you, you've probably heard of it before. It is called Lead Lightning, right? And it is the best $7 purchase that you can buy. It's the best. Why? Because it's complete business. It allows you to build a list of buyers. It allows you to make commissions, low ticket commissions, right? Like I said, expendable money type of commissions. But when they buy, they become buyers, they're more susceptible to buying, right? So here we have perfect for beginners, start generating commissions immediately, creates daily buyer leads, generate leads and enrollments to your primary business. Listen to that right there. So generate leads and enrollments to your primary business. And I'll show you how that works here in a minute. So it also has automatic email follow-ups. And like I said, this is the kicker, no monthly fees. So it keeps your cost of doing business real low. All you need is budget for traffic. And basically the system is the offer and the tool itself that you can generate unlimited $6 commissions, right? So like I said here, it's easy to use. You can build a buyer's list, zero monthly fees. It boosts sales and enrollment to any opportunity. You can take the club, the Cash Club Unlimited business, plug it into the back office, or make a page, or get your affiliate page, plug it into the back office, drive traffic to this Lead Lightning capture page, capture $6 on the front end, and promote your postcard business on the back end. Works the same with any other affiliate opportunity, right? All for just $7. Here's everything else you get. You get done for you campaigns, contact manager, additional marketing, e-wallet, beginner friendly. It's a business in a box, like I said, traffic training, commission tracking, and instant $6 commissions. So, right, you can really make some cash with this. I mean, just think about it exponentially, $6 a day, right? And then you start multiplying that out, or multiple $6 a day. So anyway, you can make money with this product. And like I said, the price point is low enough for people to use their expendable cash, which is $7, to invest, in themselves, right? Without being, oh, that's too much money or whatever, right? So here's some testimonials, but this is what the Lead Lightning sales page look like, and this is the platform. If you want to get started, click this link. Now let's take a look in the back office so I can show you the inside of the Lead Lightning and exactly some of the things that you get. Here we go. So this is where you would log into the Lead Lightning, and let me get to my Lead Lightning account. You would log in here. The first thing you're going to see as a Lead Lightning member is your sponsor's information here at the top, right? Your name will be here. Congratulations. This is my son's account, so that's him, right? And I am the sponsor, has my contact information. So this is what a Lead Lightning purchaser will see so they can get a hold of you. Here's where the magic happens though. If you look right here, it says click here. This would be as the sponsor's affiliate link. So it says click here to see your referring affiliate's recommended income stream. Can you guess what that would be? Well, I promote multiple income funnels, so let's see if that's what that is. So I would click here and guess where it would take me to? The multiple income funnel. So that's why it's important as a multiple income funnel member or any major business that you're promoting using the Lead Lightning, always plug your information in, if you scroll down, into this field right here. And this is easy as this. Simple 3 steps to get started. Watch the video, join the free Facebook group, and then get your primary business link, whatever your primary business is. Mine's happen to be the multiple income funnel. So what I'll do is I'll pop over here, go to my links on my multiple income funnel, grab one of the video sales pages, come back here, go back to the getting started page, come down here, plug in my multiple income funnel link, and I'll put a tracking code on there and just says PLS Fry Biz, just to know that it's in the primary biz link. So when it pops up in my back office of multiple income funnel, right? I hit update. And now it gives me here, just check this out. It says test my link. That's my multiple income funnel link. But I have, as a Lead Lightning member, I have 2 systems. I have a system that promotes Lead Lightning, and I'll show you that in a minute. And I also have a free lead system to give away. And I want to show you what that looks like here. So you click here and it says, show me what link to use. So if I want to promote the Lead Lightning link, because I'm a Lead Lightning purchaser, right? And I want to promote my other business and make the $6 unlimited commissions, I use this link right here, right? And what does it say? Website visitors who opt into the link at the bottom will receive emails from you sent by us. Odd number emails 13579 will promote your system, which is your Lead Lightning system. And then the even numbered emails 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. will promote your main outside website, which is what? You just saw us put the multiple income funnel in here, and that's what it will be promoting on those even sequence of emails. So you'll be promoting 2 businesses using 1 capture page. Let me show you what the capture page looks like. The capture page looks like this. So they'll come here, input their information. They'll be taken to this page here, get presented with the $7 one-time Lead Lightning, best $7 they could ever spend sales page, right? Then in the email follow-up, they'll start getting a sequence of emails trying to upsell them to the next level or promote your outside business, right? Which would be, in this case, would be the multiple income funnel. So that's how that works. Now, it works the same way with the free lead system, right? So you come down here, it says, hey, same thing. Odd numbers will promote the next level up, which is the Lead Lightning, and the even numbers will promote your outside business, which would be in this case the the multiple income funnel, right? And this would be the link that you would use to promote or run traffic to. Let's click that and see what that looks like. And here is your free system to give away that also promotes, guess what? It promotes the multiple income funnel in the back end and the Lead Lightning upsell on the odd email. So that's how that works. That's awesome, right? All for $7. On top of that, you get training, right? You click the training tab. Here's training. Here's some videos, how to improve email deliverability. Click here for Lead Lightning picks. These are different things that you can use to help promote Lead Lightning on social media, right? Let's go back. You get traffic generation online, email swipes, banners, video marketing tips, signature files, right? You can also get apparel, right? So it has some basic training in here. Here's where your leads are stored. It has a contact manager. That's where your leads will come in and come through the page, and you always can export them out and get them out. You have your money, you have your wallet, you get your commissions. You can always upgrade to the next level, which would be the Power Lead system. But that's how that works. And that's how beneficial it is. So let's go back to the quick start, right? So let's recap real quick. So as you're promoting lead lightning through your funnel, right? Let's go back. You're promoting lead lightning through your funnel. They're going to come to this page, right? They'll get presented with this offer, and the email follow-up will start sending them your primary business link as well. So you're promoting both businesses, right? Hitting them for the $6 unlimited commission or the upsell from whatever, either free lead system or lead lightning system, or then they're going to be walked up to the Power Lead system, right? Also, they're going to be pitching your multiple income funnel or whatever other business you have on the backside, because whatever you put in here, that's what's going to be in your sequence of follow-up emails. So then also at the bottom, there's always a way to supercharge your system and upgrade to the next level in that. But that's the basics. That's what the lead lightning system is. And that's why this system is powerful, because you can promote anything you want. But anyway, that's really what I wanted, just to show you that one of the benefits of being in the Power Lead system is that you do get these additional systems that you can give away for free, that you can generate unlimited $6 commissions. And seeing that going forward, this is getting being inserted into another system called the multiple income funnel system. And I'll quickly show you that on the backside here. It's also being inserted into this system, into the multiple income system. I don't know, people are scared of the multiple income system for some reason, right? But you have four main core components that this multiple income funnel is promoting. One of them is itself. Two of them is the Power Lead system, which I just showed you a component of that was lead lightning, then text bot AI and traffic authority. But the primary component that we're interested in is the Power Lead system. And with the Power Lead system, you do get the lead lightning system and the free lead system that you can make unlimited $6 commissions and give away a free system that all point back and link you to the Power Lead system. Now, like I said, if you plug your multiple income funnel affiliate link in here too, guess what? You have this system promoting this and this system promoting this as well. So you get double automation. But anyway, that's all I wanted to do, is show you how the lead lightning system, the one-time $7 purchase, can be used to promote any opportunity. You can put OLSP in here. You can put Daily Digital Club link in there. You can put My Lead Gen Secret. You can put, you name it, you can put it in there and just use lead lightning, a one-time $7 purchase with no monthly fees, to promote any opportunity, to build your list, and to make unlimited $6 commissions on the front end. But anyway, that's all that I got. If you're interested in the lead lightning program or the free lead system, just so you can see what it's about, click the link below. As always, like, share, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the content, and I'm out.